Today's lovely piece is an Aqua Quartzite. I just love the way that the prisms catch the light. I could just see having several of the prism bottomed ones hanging in my kitchen window. What happiness that would bring me. Could look at them every day. They just are gorgeous. But here on the chain, we have the Aqua Quartzite. And quartzite is believed to inspire positive change, to help calm the mind, and bring balance during times of change. We use these glass beads at the different junctions. And then you have the beautiful Aqua Quartzite. It's so smooth, feels good in the fingers. Down to the Aqua Prism pendant. Of course, it's the 12-inch style. And let's give her a test drive. Show me a yes. There she is, swinging front to back for us. Okay. "45-degree swing to give her momentum. Now, show me a no. There she goes with the circle and the stop. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. So if this Aqua Quartzite pendulum is calling your name to come and help you release trapped emotions, then get on myfrequency.shop and get her ordered. Beautiful. Love that color. All right, there you have it. Have a great day.